Howdy y'all, welcome back to another taste testing. This time I'm in Roosevelt, Utah, and sorry I'm maybe a little off center. I got the steering wheel in my face, at least from your point of view. You're sitting on the dash of my mom's car, but I'm at Taco Bell in Roosevelt, and I finally got to try their, it's an odd shape, their Crunchwrap, the big Cheez-It Crunchwrap. I don't know where the top is. Anyway, I'm behind the curve, but I made it. Finally got to try one. Let's see how it goes. You ready? They didn't even give me napkins. Didn't give me my hot sauce. Customer service. It's not just a handy phrase. So, down there on the bottom is lettuce falling out. A little bit of cheese, giant Cheez-It, and more lettuce falling on the steering wheel. Okay, that bite got me some crunchy Cheez-It bite. Lettuce everywhere. Luckily I bring my own napkins. We learned some lessons the hard way. I'm currently kind of addicted to Cheez-Its. It's the only snack that I indulge in now. Unless I see something like a cool Lay's flavor that just came out for a limited time. But really, just Cheez-Its. I give myself a couple every now and then, and so I was looking forward to this. It's acceptable. It's not bad, actually. I kind of like it. Maybe the next time I make Crunchwraps on the Griddle, we'll use Cheez-Its or something. Anyway, I also have the tostada, but this is going to do it for me. I haven't eaten out, even though I'm putting out weekly videos. I have them recorded ahead of time. Right now I'm eating this, and it may be 2 months before you see it. Who knows? Where was I going with that? I don't know. Oh, I haven't eaten out. I've been taking care of my mom in Utah, and it's the first time, other than running to the post office to check our mail, I've been out of the house in a week or 2 weeks. At least 2 weeks. Anyway, it's not bad. It's worth a try. So that's my excitement. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more taste tests, and maybe I'll start cooking again. I don't know. I don't have my griddle with me yet, but we'll get there. Thanks for watching. Bye.